Hey everybody, Mr. Jones back here with you. And by the time you watch this video, it will be the new year, 2021. So happy new year to you. Um, but yes, we are starting in Unit 5 here in Algebra 1, where we're going to be talking about systems of equations. Okay. And this is just a really quick video talking about just an introduction to what is a system of equations, maybe looking at an example, and just going over the basics before we get into actually solving them. Okay. So a system of equations, what is it? So there's three parts to it. Okay, so it's a set of two or more equations. Okay, so that's weird. Um, but a system, so when you have two or more equations, it's kind of giving like more than one condition or more than one kind of limit to what x and y could be, right? So like you might have the equation y equals 2x minus 1, and then you might also have the equation y equals negative x plus 7, or something like that. So yeah, so this would be a system kind of saying y is equal to 2 times the x number minus 1, and then y equals negative 1 times the x number plus 7. So kind of these two different sets of equations, okay? So that's what a system is. And it's not just two, you can have two or more. So you can have 3 or 4 equations in a system. But yeah, oftentimes we'll see just two, okay? And then what do you do with these? So you seek to find a common solution, right? So these are going to give you lots of different answers, right? So if you plugged in 1 in for x in this equation, you'll probably get a different answer than when you plug 1 into this equation, right? But what you look for, right, there is a lot of the time going to be a common answer, right? When you plug in the same x number to both of these, you get the same y answer, okay? So that's what we're trying to do, okay? And there's going to be different ways that we can do that through graphing, okay? There's going to be a way that we can look at a graph and find a solution, and then also algebraically kind of solving this using some of our algebra strategies, okay? And then just lastly, solutions are ordered pairs, okay? So yeah, there is going to be an x answer and a y answer, okay? So these two different numbers. And that's a little bit different than, right, when we solved equations before, right? We usually are just concerned with solving for x. But here, right, we have x and y, two different variables in the system. And so we are going to be trying to find both of those, okay? So that's a little intro about what a system is. I hope that makes sense. And that's all. Thanks.